Sprinto is a GRC tool, but how exactly does it help with governance initiatives? So, governance is what? It's a framework by which an organization is directed, managed, and controlled. It comprises of policies, procedures, and practices, and has various components. For example, governance structure, governance oversight, roles and responsibilities, reviews, everything. So Sprinto has a range of features, each of which help with governance initiatives. For example, the first one is this centralized health dashboard. It gives management a quick overview of the live compliance status. How many controls are ready? What are the upcoming audits? How many checks are we passing or failing as an organization? If anything has been assigned to you, and compliance area wise readiness, and so on. Similarly, there's a risk dashboard that gives them an understanding of the risk profile. So, this is a risk heat map that helps them visualize the impact of risks. Then we have detailed risk profiles. For example, I can click on any risk and get an understanding of the risk profile, including the risk owners, the scores, what is the treatment, and so on. Next, there is a vendor dashboard that gives them an idea of third party relationships. So, how many vendors are high risk, how many are low risk, and which are the vendor risk assessments that are pending? What is the breach monitoring status? Like, if there is any risk of breaches from third parties, then how many vendors have filled in security questionnaires? We can also send them questionnaires from here, and so on. Then there are policies and documents, which is a key aspect of governance. How many policies are pending for approval? Which are the active documents? How many acknowledgement requests have been raised? And what is the status? Similarly, if you go to the people department, I can see the roles and responsibilities, organization chart, and so on. Then we have reports. So the management can use these reports to make well informed decisions. So this is a compliance health report. Similarly, we have framework wise compliance gap reports, a SOC 2 compliance gap report, so they can take actions accordingly. Then there is a vendor insights report, there's a risk report, and so on. Lastly, there are also senior management reviews. So for example, in this case, the senior management is failing on these checks, so they have to take an immediate action for these. Policy reviews pending, organizational structure reviews pending, risk assessment reviews pending, and we can also add a workflow from here and add any more reviews if we want. So that's how Sprinto helps with governance initiatives. Do give it a try, and all the best for your next audit.